Hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about what led to my anxiety and what were the some factors which were affecting me. And for the first time, I have made notes because I just want to make sure I don't miss any point because I really want to know people how it feels because anxiety played a very important role in my life, and it was like for a whole life I was dealing with it, which I realized very later, like recently. So I wanted to make sure that I have everything written here so I can tell you what exactly I was going through and what all I felt, so you guys understand how it goes. So if we look at the very normal wiki definition of anxiety, it says that it's a mental health disorder characterized by feeling of worry, anxiety, or fear that are strong enough to interfere with one's daily activities. So, what how it started with me, I can so what happened with me, I was in DPS till 4th or 5th class. Then my parents decided that I should go to Carmel, and so hence I got transferred to Carmel. And the atmosphere in Carmel was very different. It was very different from DPS. Studies, groups, people, everything was very different. And so I started covering myself. I had put the shell around me. People used to laugh at me. I was weak in studies. I was not that good in studies. I was an average student. And when I got transferred to Carmel, I was a very poor student. So when people used to laugh at me and all, there were no friends. Eventually I made friends and I have made amazing friends, but I think 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th I was alone. There were only 2 or 3 friends, and they are amazing. They were amazing friends. I'm like, Carmel is one of the best thing which happened to me, I will say, but at the same time it is one thing which gave me my anxiety. So then what happened was, then went on, everything was going fine. I made new friends, but again there were times when my anxiety used to kick in. I used to think, okay, people will laugh at me, people will say stuff about me, people won't like me, they don't love me, they don't like me seeing and everything. But at the same time, there were my amazing friends who were always there, who stood with me and who accepted me for what I am. So life went on, everything was going fine in Carmel. Then came the college. So Jindal was one of the best thing which happened to me. Like best thing. I think it was one of the best decision I took in my life. Technically, my parents forced me, but it was the best decision because I have some amazing memories. I have some amazing friends from Jindal, and I think they helped me what I am today, what are my opinions and everything. Jindal helped me shaping it. So what happened in Jindal was, again I made amazing friends and everything, but again what happening was, I used to think that people are judging me, people don't like me, they will laugh at me, and hence so I missed many good opportunities there. I missed many good stuff there. I used to participate in stuff like I did dance, and I did take part in the fest and everything. But then again my anxiety used to kick in. Then college got over, everything was going fine. Then came like real life to decide whether I want to what I want to do in career. So I decided to pursue my civil job. And everyone tells you that when you enter into competitive exam, you have to be very patient, you have to trust yourself, and blah blah blah, and all these fancy words, which is very nice. But when you so ये सब थ्योरी में अच्छा लगता है, प्रैक्टिकली व्हेन इट कम्स ना, यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डील विद इट. सो 2 साल हो गए, मेरे 2 नोटिफिकेशन आ गए, एंड आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू क्लियर इट. सो वो और मेरी एंग्जाइटी बढ़ने लग गई. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द लिस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग. सो फर्स्ट वॉज, I started feeling कि I'm not good enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not good looking. And I will cover this in another video, like what leads to my body issues and everything. That I'm not enough, I'm a failure, I'm good at nothing, no one loves me. It actually made me believe that my dad also don't love me, and I can't even do one proper single work properly. So there were times when I was not able to do even the simplest tasks easily. So what happened that one day I was trying to unlock a lock, and I was trying it for like 5-10 minutes, and there was a time where I was not able to do it only, and I just started crying because I was like, इशिता तुझसे ये भी नहीं हो पा रहा, यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग, लेजिट यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग. तो वो होता है ना, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में एंग्जाइटी आने लग गई थी. नमक नहीं डाल पा रही है तो सिर्फ नमक, मतलब अगर चाय बनाया ना मैंने और किसी ने बोला कि इसमें शक्कर कम है, तो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक, इशिता सीरियसली तुझसे ये नहीं आता, तुझे ये नहीं आता. मतलब दिस इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग्स विच आई थिंक हम लोग, मतलब बहुत नॉर्मल होता है, बट वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी होने लग गई थी. Also during this phase I have to face a toxic person. I'm not going to name him or her because that is not who I am. I don't want to blame them, I don't want public to know about them. It's just I want to tell you guys that when you are with a toxic person, you don't realize that he or she is toxic to your life. It's just when you're finally over it, when you're overcome it, then you realize कि oh, okay ऐसा कुछ था. So yes, I was dealing with a toxic person. He or she was very toxic to me, and so that person used to say shitty things to me that तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, पेपर नहीं क्लियर कर पाओगी तुम गुड फॉर नथिंग हो, नो वन विल लव यू, यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग, तुम सबकी लाइफ में पनौती हो, तुम किसी को खुश नहीं रख सकती, and stuff like that. And there was a time when I started believing that ki haan, this is right, whatever she or he is saying, this is right, and eventually this is going to come true. And that's why I used to push away people from me, like पहली push away करने लगती थी, and which was a very wrong thing. So I just want to tell you कि sometimes it's very difficult to identify the toxic person in your life. Sometimes you can be the toxic person in someone else's life, you just don't know. I just want to tell you कि don't let the voices in your head get into your daily life. I know it's very difficult, I know how it can get, but I just want to tell you, don't let these voices get into your head, because once they are there now, there is no going back. Because I realize this now, because मुझे पता था कि my friends know कि how much I can talk, how much I can dance, how happy I am, like मैं कितनी एकदम हैप्पी गो लाइफ की हूँ. बट जब से ये सब इंसिडेंट्स होने लग गए ना, मतलब मुझे पहले रियलाइज़ नहीं होता था, बट ये जो द मोमेंट आई डेल्ट विद दिस टॉक्सिक पर्सन, एवरीथिंग, द पार्ट ऑफ मी ही शुड टुक अवे विथ हिम और हर, एंड दैट kills me, because that were the golden days, that were the time when मैं और ग्रो अप कर सकती थी, बट मैं नहीं कर पाई. दैट इज़ ओके, वट एवर सेड एंड डन, आई कांट चेंज पास, इट्स गॉन नाउ. बट नाउ दिस इज़ मी, नाउ आई एम हैप्पी, नाउ आई एम एन्जॉइंग. मतलब मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं वीडियोज़ बनाऊँगी अपने ऊपर और ऐसे रिकॉर्ड करूँगी. मतलब दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अचीवमेंट फॉर मी, बिकॉज मैं बहुत ही, मतलब मुझे बॉडी इश्यूज़ हैं. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू गाइज कि it is normal, it is very normal to have anxiety and all. Please, if you are getting this thought, it's very normal, but I will suggest just go and talk to someone, because these voices in your head which is making you believe that you're good for nothing is not true, because you're more than this, you're more than anything else. Like, you have come into this world, you are this beautiful creature universe has created. Obviously there is some purpose, there is a reason why you are here in the first place, and just don't let your mind say otherwise, because I think everyone is in this world for some or the other reason. And I hope you get your purpose. I hope you don't get into, I just pray कि किसी को भी anxiety ना हो. I just want the world to be happy and all. I just pray that. But if you're dealing with this, go and talk to someone, watch videos, whatever makes you happy, but just don't let this voice in your head think you're not good for anything, because you are good for many things. This I got to know because now I have realized I am good at many things, and I realize it now ki I can do many things. So just don't let this in, and I hope you guys are all happy, positive, and I hope my stories help you in some or the other way. Bye guys.